Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer is a 0.1% Prallethrin insecticide. This product is a pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer is labeled to control wasps, bees, hornets, yellow jackets, and spiders, but it's often used to treat wasps and their nests. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer is great for taking out wasp nests safely, but the product has fewer uses beyond that. This aerosol spray can potentially stain asphalt and shingles and may require testing on an inconspicuous surface before application. It also cannot be used indoors unless you're using it in an attic or crawl space. If you're looking for a product with the flexibility to treat mini pests, check out Sylo Insecticide. Sylo Insecticide is an emulsifiable concentrate made with 25.4% Cypermethrin. Sylo is a pyrethroid insecticide like Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer and treats many pests including wasps, ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes, ticks, and many others. This product also leaves a long-lasting residual of up to 90 days. To treat wasps that have gotten indoors, use Pyrethroid aerosol insecticide. Pyrethroid is a powerful botanical insecticide made with 0.5% pyrethrins and 4% PBO. Like Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer, Pyrethroid will deliver a rapid knockdown of targeted pests, but it's safe to use indoors and can be used to treat more than just wasps, including spiders, cockroaches, flies, and many more. Before using Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. When dealing with stinging pests like wasps, always use caution and keep yourself protected. We recommend that you cover up as much exposed skin as possible with a professional bee suit to prevent stings. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer comes ready to use and there's no mixing required. Simply remove the cap and shake well. Stand about 6 to 15 feet away from your target pest or nest. Spray at an angle and always make sure you spray with the wind at your back. It's recommended to wait until evening so all wasps and hornets are resting inside their nest. Apply Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer to pests and nests you find on the exterior of your structures. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer applies a liquid stream that can reach up to 20 feet, so you can treat wasps from a safe distance. Just shake, point, and spray at your target. To spray wasps, hornets, and spiders, make sure all pests make contact with the spray and treat the nest until thoroughly wet. Though the spray can reach up to 20 feet, it's recommended that you spray from 6 to 15 feet away. To spray yellow jacket nests in the ground, use a sweeping motion to make sure any pests around the nest opening make contact with the spray. Then approach the opening and apply a constant stream directly into the nest for 6 to 8 seconds. Targeted pests that come into contact with Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer will be knocked down and die within minutes. It works so fast that wasps and hornets will be unable to release attack pheromones and will reduce your chances of being stung. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer leaves residual activity that will ensure the elimination of a nest. After application, do not allow people or pets to move in or around the area until the product has dried. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with treatment methods that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to learn more.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.